melty the chocolate is inside the croissant. And look at yours.
I'll take this. You put it away before I could even get a video of it.
know it's blue. What do you think? Okay. It does taste like pineapple. Very good. There you go.
Have it from here or somewhere else.
Yeah, we got it from here. Oh, and it's a special Soaring Fantastic Flight edition.
And these are the Disney characters.
And what happened to Gelatoni?
She got one gelatoni thing. Super cute.
So cute.
That ends our rainy day in DisneySea. Again, we did not record an outro because the next day we had to go back on a flight to America, where we are right now. I figured I would quickly show you a couple of things that we did buy during that last segment of the vlog. You saw that we bought these Duffy and Friends headbands. Akari's favorite characters are Gelatoni and Stella Lou, and she got her, show it, Stella Lou stuffed animal. Stella Lou is her favorite character, but she only wears this headband for some reason, or this one. And then my favorite purchase, which was a little bit of a splurge, was this big bag right here, and it's from the Delightful Autumn Woods collection. You can see that they're all wearing their autumn themed clothes, and this is a really nice bag. I carry it around with me everywhere. It fits everything. It has a lot of good compartments, one for keys, one for my phone, one for lotions, and just a big space inside where I can keep my work binders, my pencil case, headphones, pretty much everything that I need on a day-to-day basis. And then lastly we got was something that's not Halloween or autumn related, but it was commemorating the 18th anniversary of the opening of Tokyo DisneySea, and Akari's showing you the cookie that comes in here. What I really liked about it was that it was really themed around stars and the moon, and then if you open it, right around here you see the phases of the moon, but in Mickey's silhouette, which I thought was super cute. That concludes our DisneySea vlog. Please be sure to subscribe to see more of our adventures in Tokyo in the next upcoming weeks. With that, we'll see you in the next video, right?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.